professionals who demand top-of-the-range functionality and full control in TIG welding, look no further than the BlueVenom XF250 and the XF320 AC/DC SiC platform. These machines deliver 250 and 320 amps of AC/DC TIG power, driven by Silicon Carbide inverter technology for unmatched efficiency, arc stability, and extended service life. You get AC TIG for aluminium oxide cleaning, HF-DC TIG for steel and stainless, and Mixed AC+DC TIG for combined penetration and cleaning for thicker aluminium work. Pulse TIG and cold weld TIG modes provide precise heat control, particularly for jobs with thin materials and heat-controlled critical weld applications. The high-frequency TIG start feature enables non-contact penetration for clean, precise starts and improved weld quality. Another major upgrade is the all-new Super Pulse mode. It operates like standard pulse but adds a boost on the rising edges of each pulse. The result is dramatically improved low-frequency pulse performance, particularly below 10 Hz, providing stronger arc stability and more consistent bead formation. You'll also find the dynamic arc control feature, which actively responds to arc voltage fluctuations. As arc length changes during the welding process, the machine automatically adjusts output current to maintain consistent heat input. On top of that, you can control how aggressively the system reacts, including how many amps it adjusts per your voltage change, giving you precise, real-time control over the full arc behavior. These systems offer multiple AC waveforms, frequency adjustment, balance control, and advanced parameter tuning. Synergic TIG simplifies setup by automatically configuring welding parameters, while manual mode gives expert welders complete control of their settings. Up to 100 programs can be stored for repeatable results across multiple jobs and operators. And to further refine the welding cycle, several timing parameters are built into these systems. AC time controls the amount of time the output current operates at the selected AC waveform, while DC time determines the amount of time the output current operates as direct current. The BlueVenom XF250 and XF320 AC/DC SiC units are supplied with a DIMEX ELITE 8m 26F flex head TIG torch designed for extended reach during those particularly demanding fabrication environments. The flex head design improves access in tight or complex weld positions, while the integrated trigger and remote current control allow you to fine-tune output directly at the torch without breaking arc or your workflow. This extended length professional TIG torch is ideal for large fabrication bays, heavy-duty aluminium work, and precision TIG applications where reach, control, and ergonomics are critical. Full pedal compatibility allows real-time current control during welding, and the add-on BlueVenom 4-liter water cooling system regulates torch temperature during extended high amperage welding, maintaining stability and preventing overheating during high-duty cycle applications. By pairing the water-cooled welder with the DIMEX ELITE 18 series torch, you can achieve maximum welding performance and extended runtime in the ultimate setup. Power factor correction ensures stable performance on unstable power supplies. The IP23S rating in these units makes them both suitable for outdoor as well as industrial environments, and the VRD feature enhances safety in stick mode. The XF250 and 320 AC/DC are the pinnacle of precision TIG, engineered for professionals who demand the ultimate in control, performance, and top-notch reliability. And that's just a snippet. They are packed with a heap of additional features that you would expect from high-level performance units of this caliber, and are backed by CIGWELD's 5-year warranty. Both the BlueVenom XF250 and the XF320 AC/DC are available right now at your nearest CIGWELD ESAB distributor.